Hari Om Tat Sat. The breakthrough or that great transformation in your life that's closer than you realize. What's coming your way? All of it. This is not pick a pile. This reading is all about you and what you will receive during a time of period. It's a timeless reading. Whenever you click on this video, because you're so connected and in sync with the energies, you will find out what is that major breakthrough which is happening in your life. And you might not believe in yourself. You might not even trust the universe or destiny right now, thinking, I don't think this is coming to me, but trust me, it's coming. It's happening. Okay, let's find out what all with respect to love, career, money. What's that breakthrough? Is it even money, career? What is it? Let's find out. Connecting with the energies. I'm seeing you are closing your eyes, trying to breathe in, breathe out. Let's see more and more. What is that major breakthrough? Wow, you know what? This is amazing. So the breakthrough here, what I'm seeing is the Knight of Cups in reverse, right? So the Knight of Cups in reverse and the Three of Wands, this indicates that you have finally moved away from someone toxic to you. You have realized that this person is not the one for you and you were holding on to his or her energies. Mostly I see masculine energies you were holding on to, and then you finally realize this person is karmic. Maybe I should not chase this person. This person is not in alignment with my greater good, with my higher self, or with the vibration I am in sync with. I don't think this person is ever giving me that love, care, affection, and now I have to move out. That is the major transformation you will see. As soon as you finish this video, you can write a letter to this person saying, I have moved away from your energies. I don't want these energies. Hence, I have released these energies. That is what you can do. That is something which is very personal. I'm seeing you're tearing letters or you're throwing something associated with this person and you're like, no, now nobody is ruling my life. I am the one who has to decide. I'm done with his energies, or I'm done with her energies, to be precise, on both sides. And Three of Wands indicate that post you moving away from this energy, you will see yourself healing, you will see yourself achieving a lot of things. You're very passionate about a lot of things and you're dreaming to become something big, great. Something's coming your way. Oh wow, I want to pick this one. What's happening? Twin flames. Your passion ignites. That is what is happening. The moment you move away from older energies, you're going to meet your twin flame and passion is going to be ignited like never before. And the Three of Wands here also shows me that you're in career, you are going to see some passion related works. A major project which you were eyeing on is getting assigned to you, and there is appreciation from your boss or seniors because you're working really hard towards it. They are seeing your efforts finally. Recognition is coming, name, fame is coming. If you were a social media influencer where you are putting a lot of efforts, you're like, I'm done crying for this person. I'm done waiting for this person. Now I'm going ahead. And this is going to take you, like you're learning to surf through life. You know, whatever is coming your way as problem, you're making it into something very worth the wait or worthwhile. You are going to achieve something in career. I can see that milestone or that peak of happiness that you wanted in career, or that recognition that you wanted, is definitely coming to you. And mark my words, within the next 3 days, 3 weeks, 3 months, maximum I'm taking as 3 years, you will be here wherever you are now trying to manifest with respect to career, noting down things. Okay, this is what I want, this is what I want. It's exactly happening that way. Wow. I'm also seeing some nice energies with respect to angels also. When you pass from this world, you take nothing with you but your soul and the memories you have shared with those you love. That is what you will finally realize. If you were chasing something materialistic as well, all you will realize it, you're not going to take any of these materials, the lavish car, the luxurious lifestyle, whatever it is, you're not going to take it with you. That is what you will realize soon. Wow. And everyone is going to ask what happened to you, like in a good way, as in, oh my God, Someone, after a few years, your friend or someone is meeting you. That is what I'm seeing. Suddenly your friend meets you in a mall, somewhere you're going away, and that person is going to be like, oh, I can't realize how far you've come. Oh wow, you look so good. You've been taking care of yourself so well. That is the comment your friends will pass when they see you next. So you will come out of this breakup or separation, or you will come out and find the twin flame, find the soulmate who is meant for you. And the cards are also asking you, if you want to see some change in your life, whatever your question, this is telling you to go for it. So good things, if you want to achieve, then definitely go for it. Do not procrastinate or wait to take that next step to get ahead. Just do it. Nothing will change if you don't take action. Don't let opportunity pass you by. So definitely don't just sit there and wait for good things to happen in your life. You have to take action. It is upon you to take action. That is what I'm seeing here. You have to fight for your position. If somebody is doing some politics anywhere, you are slowly coming home and crying. No. Now on, wipe your tears, go stand up there, do your affirmations, do your goals in the right way. Why should you fear? You are with integrity. Why are you scared? Unfulfilled. So you could have an emotional attachment to a job also. See, one, you decided for the love related matters to take it to your hands, or you like literally have the guts to break up, or literally have the guts to separate. Come out of it. Very smooth indication that you will come out of it. Same thing with job also. You have, like I said, you're very scared. You come home very emotionally attached with this job, don't want to explore. But now the cards are asking you, explore your wants and needs and consider a change. You're unhappy with income but too scared to make any changes. Like I said, you're not putting out your voice. You're coming home unfulfilled. That the cards are confirming that that's your energy. Now you have to come out of it. No more you're a kid. You are an adult who can fully stand up for yourself. With respect to job, if you stand up, definitely good things are coming towards you, and you will see some huge hit at work. People are going to be shocked how you got this project, because you've been manifesting right. You will be given a method of manifestation at the end of the video as well. Ace of Swords in reverse indicates you had been a very calculative person. You used to calculate everything, like, okay, if I go do this, then in 2 years I will be here. This is what I need. These are the materials I need. So that's it. Now you're slowly realizing that it's not the materials, it is the love, it is the support, it is the effort, it is the time. All of the things that you've given for people who are manipulative around you, finally realize that manipulation does not work for you. You're like, I'm done being so logical, practical, etc. Slowly you are getting interested in these tarot readings, in these spiritual things. Sudden there is some transformation spiritually also I'm seeing towards the end of the month of this. Whenever you're watching this, after like 2-3 months, you're finally coming out of these heartbreaks, the karmic lessons. You're learning everything. You're crying, you're venting, you're in grief, you're taking counseling sessions, and then finally deciding that, okay, now is the time I let go of all of these things that are not serving me. I'm done. That is what you've decided. I'm seeing great things happening for you though. With respect to spiritual also, see, the Judgment card is in reverse. So you are someone who was not believing in all of this. Suddenly you've come to these things. That simply means there is some big breakthrough happening. You thought family will not work out. You lost a pet, or you didn't have a family to rely on. You lost something. Maybe even miscarriage, abortions. All of those things were happening to you. Justice also is in reverse. So you were literally asking universe, is there nobody who is supporting me? Is there no one for me? Is God really even there? Will He help me? Will He or she help me? Which Devi is around me? Which God is around me? You are on that quest of understanding what's happening. So you will question a lot of things actually. Yeah, even if you have to say your family and they are asking you to do something, you're going to question your family. Why am I supposed to do this? You have become this mature person, emotionally mature person. Being just mature, practical things does not work. You are emotionally a very mature person, and you're trying to put in efforts to understand, learn, and then only do things. So you're not someone who will just like that do, okay, 3 times you put water, you will not put, you are like, why I should put 3 times water? You'll ask, you'll get the answer, then you will understand, and then you want to do it. So you've become someone who's at the quest. You are at the quest. I'm seeing the word quest. So spiritual quest or something. See, then you will achieve. You're running behind some greater things. You're seeing beyond science, you're seeing beyond logic and practicality, you're seeing few things which are not making sense to any others. It's only making sense to you, and you know this. You have a greater purpose. Something inside you is telling, go do this. This is your intuition. You have a bigger purpose. Some voices in your head are telling that you know you will fulfill your purpose. You're here to do something great. That drive is coming. I'm seeing some sudden drive or energy which is filling inside you. You're becoming very motivated individual. You are also going to speak to people and motivate them as well in this process. You're going to become a public communicator or speaker where you will be able to speak. I'm also seeing MPH course. You are trying to browse about it, Master of Public Health. You're checking about public health, some government related jobs also you are interested. Politics also you're very interested. So you'll definitely go ahead and do that. Wow, that is something I'm seeing. You are very interested in learning all of this. Till now, the passion related things were reverse. You were not understanding what's your passion. Now that you know where you have to run, what you have to catch, which is that bus, which is that train you will miss if you will not catch up, that you're trying to realize. There is some FOMO that is also happening. And once you realize what's happening, that's where you're coming very closer to your destiny. Wow, this is amazing. Let's see more here. What's happening here? Oh, what's this? Different card. This card is not there in this deck. Some wow, this is the major breakthrough I'm seeing. Apart from all of the good things I've told, money matters. Expense, save, cut cost, resource plan ahead, make an informed choice, invest your money wisely. Says that you will see a lot of wealth, Pitru blessing, Guru blessings, all the related Naga. I'm seeing a little bit of Naga dosha though, however. Although you are seeing good major nicer things, there are warnings which are coming up as well. Just because you're at a very nice comfortable position, that does not mean you rip yourself off the money that you already have. Okay, make some good investments, wise investments, take some charge of your life. You are in charge. That's what the cards are saying, the angels are saying. And intuitively, the Rider-Waite deck, if I'm seeing any deck or some card in my visions, I'm also going to explain about that. Okay, so I do see the Tower card. I'm explaining that romance also is going to come towards you. Cupid's arrow strikes. So I'm seeing romance is on the cards as well. And I'm also seeing soulmate. Your soulmate is ready with you in spirit. Believe this and they will manifest physically. That is what the things are. Okay. And so the Tower card that I saw of Rider-Waite, it is telling that somehow who may be viewed as unstable. You are someone who is viewed as unstable. Are you really unstable? We don't know. So relationship wise or life situation that is unstable, and it might not survive any confrontation, they say. The cards are showing me the pages that I'm picking based on my intuition. It is showing the Tower only for me. So the Tower and you here are alone thinking. If you confront anyone, will they come out of this and confess the real things to you? Okay, a relationship or situation that may need to be worked on. Then you will see soulmate energy. Worst case scenario, you will be accepted as it is. You will accept that person, or that person will accept you as it is. So some unexpected. So I'll just tell you the keywords whenever I'm seeing the Tower. Unexpected changes are seen. Chaos is seen also. Disruption is seen. Shocking things are revealed to you, and some vulnerability is also happening in a good sense. See, these things are important. To be your authentic self, to show your vulnerability is extremely important in relationships, because that person has to see the good, the bad, the ugly, everything about you, so that this person accepts you the way you are. Okay, and I'm seeing that you are going to have a lot of reputation in public as well. And good things are coming to you, but some explosion also of some breaking news, somebody who's cheating you, some toxic people, what they are plotting against you, all that is getting revealed. That's the biggest thing. That's the blessing, to know who's toxic, don't you think? Wow, very insightful. I'll have to unfortunately end this reading, because that's all for you to know for today's energies. So all the very best. Hari Om Tat Sat.